In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email and text message templates in GoHighLevel. We'll start with an email template, then move into text message snippets. From your GoHighLevel dashboard, head into the marketing section, then open emails. This is where all of your campaigns and templates live. To create a fresh design, click New and choose blank. Selecting a blank layout gives you full control over the structure and branding. When prompted, pick the design editor, then confirm by clicking Select. The design editor is a drag and drop builder, so it's quick to assemble a clean, consistent template you can reuse. Open the Elements panel using the plus icon. Drag a text block onto the canvas and add your introductory copy. Keep your paragraphs scannable and make sure your fonts and colors match your brand guidelines. Next, drag an image block where you want your logo or header graphic. Use high-resolution images and add descriptive alt text for accessibility. You can continue adding any other elements you need, such as buttons, dividers, or additional text sections to round out the template. The goal is to build a flexible structure you'll use repeatedly, so think in terms of reusable sections like a hero area, a body section, and a footer. At the top of the editor, rename the email to something clear and searchable, like newsletter-based template or promo email layout. Good naming makes it easy to find later for your team. When the layout looks right, click Preview. Review how it renders on desktop and mobile. Check link formatting and proofread the copy. If anything needs adjustment, go back to return to the editor. When you're finished, go back again to exit the editor and return to your email list. Now let's create a text message template called a snippet in GoHighLevel. In the marketing area, open snippets, then choose New Snippet. Select Add Text Snippet. Give your snippet a clear name that describes its purpose, like appointment reminder or lead follow-up. In the body field, type the message content you plan to reuse. Keep it concise, conversational, and compliant with your local messaging regulations. If you need to include a file, such as a PDF brochure or a menu, you can add it via a URL so recipients can tap to view it. Before saving, run a quick test. Enter a safe test phone number you control and click Send to verify links, line breaks, and timing. When everything looks good, click Save. Your snippet is now ready to drop into conversations, campaigns, and automations. That's it. You've built a reusable email template with the design editor and a reliable text message snippet for fast, consistent outreach.